What's up, guys? Welcome back to today's video. We are currently at the car wash. I'm gonna get my Gladiator all washed up and ready for the mods that we are doing today. We're gonna be heading up to Salty Gears off-road, and we're gonna be doing a few things to change the look of my whole Jeep. I'm really excited to show you guys the process, so stay tuned and get ready. All right, guys, so we're currently at Salty Gears off-road. We have Tyler pulling in my Gladiator. We're gonna be pulling it into the shop. We're gonna put it up on the lift and we're gonna get going. It's all coming along. Tyler here is putting in the work, going super quick. Guys, Tony's showing me the before and after. Here's my 35, and yes, we're going with a 37. Look how big that is. They're a Canadi mud hog mud train. It's definitely a lot more aggressive, as you can see the difference in the tread. But yeah, that's gonna give me a pretty big difference. So let's see how it looks when they go on. These things are massive compared to the old 35s. You can tell just side-by-side comparison that these have a lot more tread. They're a lot more aggressive looking. I think they're going to look pretty good on the JT that Tyler's over there working on. Nate and I are checking out this Gladiator. Check out those tires. Where does it come to you? It hits you right there on the waist.
And to give you some perspective, I'm 8.5 feet tall.
8.5 feet tall, yep. But check this out. Nate's gonna climb up into this beast. Look at that. This thing's massive.
Wow.
Has a rack up on top. It's sweet. I love the decals too. Salty Gear off-road on the side. It's a quick walk around. Only gonna be doing a cold startup. Nate's inside. Let me run around back so you guys can hear this.
Tell me when you're ready.
All right. All right, this has a Magnum Flow exhaust on it. I think it's gonna sound super good. All right, go ahead. Woo, that does sound good. Give it a few revs. That sounds good. What do you guys think? Do you guys think I should put this on my Jeep Gladiator? Let me know below. It's looking good. We're gonna be lowering it here pretty soon. Putting the tires on. Guys, we got it right here on 37s. It's crazy to see the difference of it on 42s with 37s. It makes the 37s look tiny. Look at the 42s. But no, I'm super impressed with the look of the 37s. Definitely gives it a lot better stance. It's a little bit bigger, so I'm really impressed with that. We actually have something coming soon. I'm going to be doing different fenders, so that's exciting. All right, guys, we're taking this beast out for a drive. See how it drives. Super high up here. Dang, that has a lot of power. Couldn't even imagine putting a supercharger on mine with 37s. Probably get way more power.
If you had regular size tires, it'll go pretty quick for sure.
This is what you do. You pass Camrys in a Jeep lifted with 42s. That is crazy. All right, this is a crazy build down here at Salty Gears Off-Road. But even with the 42s, this thing has a ton of power. I was super impressed. So this, pictures don't do it justice, but this thing is massive. Guys, I'm super impressed with the way it turned out. As you guys can see the difference, look how much bigger these are with the 37 Canadi Mud Hogs. Check that out. I got my other tires there in the back, but this thing sits so much taller. It's insane what just the size 37 tires can do. All right, guys, so that wraps up today's video of installing the 37-inch tires. I'll let you guys know how it drives and what I think of it. But thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.